Welcome to another episode of Bug Busters Pest Pulse, where we delve deep into the fascinating and often unsettling world of insects that impact our environment and lives. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of a particularly intriguing yet invasive species, the Asian needle ant. Have you ever wondered how a seemingly small creature could wield such profound influence over ecosystems and human habitats? Well, you're in for an eye-opening journey as we explore the origins, behavior, and significant impact of this tenacious ant species. The Asian needle ant, though diminutive in size, is a formidable force, making waves across various ecosystems. Originating from East Asia, this tiny invader has found its way into North America, causing disruptions that are far from negligible. But what exactly makes these ants so noteworthy, and why have they become a subject of intense scrutiny among entomologists and environmentalists alike? In this episode, we'll answer these pressing questions as we dissect the behavioral patterns and ecological adaptations that have enabled the Asian needle ant to thrive outside its native habitat. From their aggressive foraging habits to their interactions with other ant species, each aspect offers a glimpse into the complex dynamics of invasive species. As we navigate through our discussion, prepare to uncover the broader implications of the Asian needle ant's presence. Their impact is not confined to the natural world. These ants pose tangible threats to human environments as well. By the end of our exploration, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of why managing and controlling their spread is paramount. Furthermore, we'll touch upon the precautionary measures that can be employed to safeguard against their encroachment. Whether you're a homeowner worried about potential infestations or simply someone with an avid interest in pest management, this episode promises valuable insights into the challenges of coexisting with such resilient creatures. So tune in and stay with us as we embark on this enthralling adventure through the unseen but ever-present world of ants. With each segment of our podcast, you'll be equipped with knowledge that not only enlightens, but also empowers you to take informed actions. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of the Asian needle ant and understand the broader narrative of invasive species? Let's get started. Asian needle ants, scientifically known as Brachyponera chinensis, are a small yet significant species that have captured the attention of entomologists and ecologists alike. Typically measuring between 5 to 6 millimeters, these ants might not seem imposing at first glance, but their physical characteristics make them quite distinguishable. Their bodies exhibit a glossy dark brown to almost black hue, contrasted strikingly by their lighter orange or yellowish legs, which allows for easy identification amidst the natural debris they often inhabit. These ants have a preference for nesting in secluded, shaded environments, usually establishing their colonies under rocks, within the confines of logs, and amidst the dense cover of leaf litter that blankets the forest floor. This penchant for hidden, secure locations not only aids in their survival, but also complicates efforts to detect and manage their populations, making them a formidable presence in the ecosystems they invade. The Asian needle ant's appearance is not just a matter of biology, but an indicator of their adaptability and success as an invasive species. These ants have carved out a niche for themselves in diverse environments, thriving in conditions that support their nesting habits. Their preference for such habitats highlights their ability to exploit ecological opportunities, often to the detriment of native species. By understanding the nuances of their physical description and nesting preferences, researchers and pest management professionals can better predict their movements and implement strategies to curb their spread. This understanding is crucial, as the visual identification of these ants is often the first step in a comprehensive management plan aimed at mitigating their impact. Their distinct coloration and nesting behavior are not just mere biological traits. They are key elements in the broader narrative of how these ants have successfully infiltrated new territories, posing challenges that extend far beyond their immediate environment. Attention to these details is essential for anyone involved in pest management or ecological conservation, as we delve deeper into the characteristics and behaviors of the Asian needle ant. we gain insights that are pivotal not only for scientific understanding, but also for practical applications in controlling their populations. By focusing on their unique physical and behavioral traits, we create a foundation for developing effective monitoring and intervention strategies, ensuring that the balance of ecosystems is maintained despite the challenges posed by these invasive ants. Understanding these ants' biology is not just an academic exercise, it's a critical component of a broader effort to protect biodiversity and maintain the integrity of our natural environments in the face of growing ecological threats. The presence of Asian needle ants in various ecosystems poses a significant threat, primarily due to their ability to cause ecological disruption. One of the most profound impacts these ants have is their capacity to displace native ant species, which plays a crucial role in reducing biodiversity. Native ants often serve important ecological functions, including aiding in soil aeration, seed dispersal, and acting as a food source for other wildlife. When Asian needle ants invade, they aggressively outcompete these native species, leading to a decline in their populations. This displacement can result in a cascade of ecological consequences, as the disappearance of native ants disrupts the intricate food chains and ecological interactions that sustain a balanced environment. The dominance of Asian needle ants often leads to a homogenization of the local ant community, which diminishes the overall resilience of the ecosystem to other environmental changes and stresses. Furthermore, the impact of Asian needle ants extends beyond ecological disruption to pose direct health threats to humans. One of the most immediate concerns is their painful sting, which can be more than just a minor inconvenience. These stings can cause severe allergic reactions in some individuals, ranging from localized swelling and pain to potentially life-threatening anaphylaxis. The risk of such reactions makes encounters with these ants particularly dangerous, especially for those with known allergies to insect venom. Additionally, their stings can lead to secondary infections if not properly treated, compounding the health risks associated with these ants. This dual threat of ecological and health impacts underscores the importance of addressing the spread of Asian needle ants promptly and effectively. Their presence in human environments not only disrupts natural ecosystems, but also brings them into closer contact with people, increasing the likelihood of adverse encounters and highlighting the need for public awareness and safety measures. Addressing the problems posed by Asian needle ants requires a multifaceted approach that considers both ecological and human health aspects. By understanding the full scope of their impact, from disrupting native species to posing health risks, we can develop comprehensive strategies to manage and mitigate their presence. These strategies must involve collaboration between ecologists, public health officials, and the general public to ensure that both natural and human environments are protected from the adverse effects of this invasive species. As we continue to explore the challenges presented by Asian needle ants, it becomes clear that effective management is essential to safeguarding biodiversity and public health, emphasizing the need for ongoing research and community engagement in tackling this pervasive issue. Asian needle ants exhibit distinct behavioral patterns and habitat preferences that contribute to their success as an invasive species. These ants thrive particularly well in warm, humid environments, which align closely with their native regions in East Asia. However, their adaptability has allowed them to establish colonies in various new territories, especially those with climates that provide similar conditions. Typically, they are found in wooded areas, which offer ample shade and moisture, ideal for their survival and proliferation. In suburban and urban settings, they are often discovered in shaded yard spaces where they can easily find shelter and resources. This preference for humid and shaded environments not only aids in their survival, but also presents challenges for detection and control, as they tend to dwell in areas that are less frequently monitored by humans. Their ability to adapt to slightly varied conditions further complicates efforts to manage their spread, as they can exploit different niches within a given ecosystem. These ants are omnivores, which significantly contributes to their ability to dominate over native ant species. Their diet is flexible, allowing them to consume a variety of food sources, ranging from insects and small invertebrates to plant-based materials, and even human food waste. This dietary flexibility gives them a competitive edge over native ants, which might have more specialized feeding habits. Additionally, Asian needle ants have a high reproductive rate, which exacerbates their ability to establish and expand colonies rapidly. Their colonies can grow swiftly, overwhelming native ant populations, not only through competition for food, but also through sheer numbers. This reproductive advantage ensures that once they gain a foothold in a new area, they can quickly become the dominant species, further impacting biodiversity and ecosystem dynamics. The behavioral and habitat characteristics of Asian needle ants highlight the importance of understanding their ecology for effective management. Their preference for specific environmental conditions and their omnivorous diet are critical factors in developing targeted control strategies. By focusing on disrupting their preferred habitats and limiting their access to food sources, it is possible to mitigate their impact and slow their spread. Research into their reproductive biology and colony dynamics offers additional insights into potential intervention points that can be leveraged to control their populations. As we continue to study these ants, gaining a deeper understanding of their behavior and habitat preferences will be crucial in formulating effective management plans that protect both natural ecosystems and human environments from the challenges posed by this invasive species. Effective management and control of Asian needle ants are crucial to mitigating their impact on both ecosystems and human environments. The key to successful management often begins with early detection, which involves regularly inspecting areas where these ants are likely to establish colonies. Shaded regions, especially those with abundant leaf litter, rocks, and logs, are prime locations for their nesting. Setting bait traps near these potential nesting sites can serve as an early warning system, allowing for timely intervention before the ants can proliferate extensively. These traps are designed to attract ants, making it easier to monitor their presence and assess the extent of infestation. Early detection not only helps in controlling the current populations, but also prevents further spread, which is essential for protecting biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. Once Asian needle ants are detected, a combination of control methods can be employed to manage their populations effectively. Cultural practices such as maintaining clean and debris-free yards can reduce the likelihood of these ants finding suitable nesting sites. Removing potential food sources and maintaining proper sanitation are additional measures that can deter these ants from establishing colonies near human dwellings. In cases where these cultural practices are insufficient, chemical treatments may be necessary. These treatments involve the careful application of insecticides specifically designed to target Asian needle ants, ensuring that their populations are reduced without causing undue harm to non-target species. For larger infestations, or when the ants have established colonies in difficult-to-reach areas, hiring professional pest control services may be the most effective approach. These professionals have the expertise and tools needed to address severe infestations safely and efficiently. The management and control of Asian needle ants require a strategic and informed approach that considers the specific challenges posed by these invasive pests. By combining early detection efforts with a variety of control methods, it is possible to limit their influence and protect both the natural and human environments. Education about these ants and their impact is also essential, empowering communities to take proactive measures and collaborate with pest management professionals when necessary. As we continue to face the challenges of invasive species like the Asian needle ant, integrated management strategies that blend scientific research with practical solutions will be vital in preserving ecological integrity and safeguarding public health. Preventing the spread of Asian needle ants is a critical aspect of managing their impact on ecosystems and human environments. One effective method of prevention involves the careful inspection of plants, mulch, and soil before transporting these materials from one location to another. Asian needle ants can easily hitch a ride in these substrates, leading to unintended introductions into new areas. By thoroughly examining and treating these materials before they are moved, especially from regions with known infestations, the risk of spreading these ants is significantly reduced. This proactive approach is essential in curbing the expansion of their populations and ensuring that they do not gain a foothold in previously unaffected areas. Such measures are particularly important in gardening and landscaping activities, where the movement of organic materials is common and can inadvertently facilitate the spread of invasive species. In addition to inspection and treatment of materials, community education plays a vital role in preventing the spread of Asian needle ants. Educating the public about the identification and risks associated with these ants empowers individuals to recognize and report sightings promptly. Community involvement in monitoring efforts can greatly enhance the effectiveness of prevention strategies, as local residents are often the first to notice changes in their immediate environment. Reporting sightings to local authorities or pest management professionals not only aids in research but also helps track the spread of these ants, facilitating timely interventions. Public awareness campaigns can further highlight the importance of preventing the spread of Asian needle ants, encouraging community members to adopt best practices in their gardening and landscaping activities. The collective efforts of individuals and communities are crucial in the ongoing battle against the spread of invasive species like the Asian needle ant. By combining vigilant inspection practices with comprehensive education and reporting systems, we can create a robust framework for preventing the further spread of these ants. This integrated approach not only protects biodiversity and ecosystem health, but also safeguards human environments from the challenges posed by these invasive pests. As we continue to address the issue of invasive species, fostering a culture of awareness and responsibility will be key in achieving long-term success in prevention and management efforts. Assessing whether your property is at risk of an Asian needle ant infestation is a crucial step in safeguarding your home and local ecosystem. If you reside in areas where Asian needle ant activity has been documented, proactive monitoring and maintenance are essential. These ants tend to thrive in warm, humid environments, so properties with shaded, wooded areas or those located near natural habitats are particularly vulnerable. Regular inspections of your yard and surrounding areas can help detect early signs of ant activity. Look for small colonies under rocks, logs, and within leaf litter, as these are common nesting sites for Asian needle ants. By identifying potential infestations early, you can take swift action to prevent them from establishing a larger presence on your property. Maintaining clean landscaping is another effective strategy to deter Asian needle ants. By keeping your yard free of debris, such as fallen leaves and branches, you reduce the likelihood of these ants finding suitable nesting sites. Regularly trimming bushes and trees to minimize shaded areas can also help make your property less inviting to these ants. In addition to these preventive measures, seeking professional help from pest control services can provide an added layer of protection. Professionals have the expertise to identify and treat ant infestations effectively, using targeted methods to eliminate colonies and prevent their recurrence. They can also offer valuable advice on long-term maintenance strategies to keep your property ant-free. The risk of Asian needle ant infestations underscores the importance of vigilance and proactive management in areas where these invasive species are present. By implementing routine inspections, maintaining clean and orderly landscapes, and enlisting professional assistance when necessary, homeowners can significantly reduce the risk of infestation. These efforts not only protect individual properties, but also contribute to broader community efforts to control and manage the spread of Asian needle ants. As we strive to coexist with these and other invasive species, informed and proactive measures will be key to preserving the ecological balance and ensuring the safety and well-being of our environments. As we draw this episode of Bug Busters Pest Pulse to a close, it's clear that understanding and managing the Asian needle ant is essential for safeguarding our ecosystems and protecting public health. These tenacious ants, with their ability to disrupt native species and ecosystems, present a formidable challenge that requires our attention and action. By delving into their biology, behavior, and impact, we've armed ourselves with the knowledge necessary to address this invasive species head-on. It's crucial to appreciate the delicate balance of our natural environments and recognize how easily it can be tipped by such small yet significant intruders. Our exploration into the world of Asian needle ants underscores the importance of vigilance and proactive measures to maintain the health and diversity of the ecosystems we depend upon. In this journey, we've uncovered the vital role that staying informed and proactive plays in mitigating the effects of these invasive pests, whether it's inspecting plants and soil before moving them, engaging in community education, or adopting integrated pest management strategies. Each step we take is a stride toward reducing the impact of Asian needle ants in our areas. Knowledge is our most powerful tool in this endeavor, enabling us to take informed actions that protect both our immediate surroundings and the broader environment. The responsibility lies with each of us to be stewards of our environment, to remain vigilant, and to act decisively in the face of ecological challenges. By staying informed, we empower ourselves to be part of the solution, ensuring that our natural world remains vibrant and resilient. As we wrap up, I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, our listeners, for joining us on this insightful exploration. Your engagement and curiosity are what drive us to delve into these critical topics and share valuable insights. Remember, every action counts, and your proactive efforts can make a significant difference in safeguarding our environments. In the words of Rachel Carson, in nature, nothing exists alone. Let this be a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world and the impact we each can have. Thank you for tuning in to Bug Busters Pest Pulse, where together we continue to learn and grow in our understanding of the natural world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of pests and the ecosystems they inhabit.